Have you done this before? Whoa! Okay, that is crazy. That is so nuts. Sonia's Garden. Heard a lot about this place. We're about to eat lunch. With Mikey and RJ. Let's go, girls. So this is an Airbnb resort in the Tagaytay area, and obviously it's a garden. They've got a lot of flowers, not just native, but I guess ones from outside of the country, so it's pretty cool.
It's a wellness resort
and
garden.
That's the owner over there, Sonya. Bye-bye. She started Tagaytay.
So she set this place up, and then businesses started.
I just met a legend.
Yeah.
Her name's Sonya because this is Sonia's garden. That's pretty cool. Did you guys know I love gardening at home?
You do?
Yeah, so I love
Perfect.
gardens.
Oh yeah.
All right.
And so all the rooms are named after like flowers, herbs. This is daffodil.
Oh, cool.
So we stayed in one of the cottages here during the pandemic.
Yeah, this is our pandemic home.
Yeah.
Nobody was here. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon.
All right.
The food is so good.
The food? Okay, I'm excited. Wow, this is really nice. It's like a buffet. All right, so we're starting off with some amazing juices. Cucumber calamansi, dalandan, mango juice. The girl's gonna love that. Pineapple cucumber. Wow. Infused water. Looks like there's flower petals in there. And then ice cubes. Looks like a selection of coffee. Oh my gosh, this is right up my alley here. Tarragon? Wow. So this place, they're known for organic food, very healthy selection. Some deliciousness they're serving up here. So we're gonna have lunch here with Mikey and RJ. What kind of juice is this?
Dalandan juice.
Dalandan juice and some mint infused water. Wow.
It's like our lime.
I'm very thirsty, so this mint infused water is perfect. So another thing, RJ says they grow everything here too, so makes sense. It's a garden.
So look, you can just pick here.
They grow so many things here.
Do you think we can get a tour of the full gardens later?
Yes.
Someone will assist us.
They've got a bunch of greenhouses. They grow all the herbs, vegetables. It's really incredible. They even have this bed and breakfast course, 3-day masterclass. RJ and I took it.
Bed and breakfast course?
Yes, so like anyone who wants to start their own bed and breakfast, or wants to get into hospitality, or just wants to host, like have ideas for hosting. So all of the stuff at our place, we learned from Sonya's garden.
Oh.
Yeah, like all the organic products and stuff, they're all from Sonya.
I feel like I should bring my family here.
Absolutely.
To stay here for like a week or something.
Yes.
Girls, are you excited for lunch here? This is our first nice lunch.
Trust me, you guys will really like the food here.
What are you excited to eat?
I don't know.
How do you like the juice?
It's good.
Is it good?
Lemonade.
It tastes like lemonade? Yeah.
It's good.
White cheese, anchovies, basil pesto, mascara tomato, and mushroom flavor.
We've got a whole bunch of dips. There you go. There's plenty of bread, girls. I'm sure we can get more. Do you think they make their own bread too?
We had master class here.
Oh my gosh, mushroom soup.
The mushrooms are foraged from the forest here.
I didn't even know you guys had mushrooms. Like
Oh
that.
yeah,
Oh, wow.
we even have mushrooms that are grown by termites. They can't even be grown like in a farm, only by termites.
How's it plate?
Lots of mushrooms here. All right, I'm gonna try the soup on their bread. I love mushroom soup. This is a good start. Thank you so much for bringing us here. Seriously, I love this. Wow.
Oh yeah.
So all these vegetables are grown here?
Yeah.
Look, I've never had a salad with flower petals in it.
It's like making your own
Papaya.
salad.
Yeah, you can build
That's
your own
cool.
salad.
Ooh, arugula, cucumber,
And this one.
Indian mango.
This is the
That's new.
It's
baby cucumber.
baby cucumber.
Oh, yeah.
Baby
White-
cucumber?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I've
Isn't that
never
cool?
had that. That is really cool. And then egg. Wow. And then peanuts? This is like our own little salad bar. All right, salad with flower petals. Okay, regular size cucumbers. Baby cucumbers. Never had that. Let me try it. Wow, that is very interesting. Look at what it looks like inside. Are you just kind of putting everything on there? Okay, yeah. I'm going
Nut.
beetroot. And then papaya. Get some croutons on there from their own bread. I love making croutons. My mom makes sourdough, and then when we have leftovers, I make my own. Indian mango, more green. Some very ripe mangoes. By the way, girls, I bet you they would cut up mangoes if you want mangoes later. Last but not least, roasted peanuts, I'm guessing?
Philly nuts.
Peely nuts. Okay, I take that back. Peely nuts. And then Sonya's secret dressing.
The secret.
It's a secret. We're eating the secret right now.
That looks really good, actually.
What?
Your salad.
Oh, thank you. My salad.
Garden. Because they must
So good.
Look at.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Additional white sauce.
Alright, we got a white sauce here, pasta, and then we've got a red sauce. And if you want, you can put some mushrooms in there, more mushrooms,
Parmesan cheese.
parmesan,
Black olives.
ooh, olives. Perfect, baby. This is adobong pusit, which is squid in squid ink, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And there's vinegar in there too?
Yeah.
Okay, I did not vlog the pasta. It was delicious.
You can
But
vlog
my
my
favorite
pasta.
thing I've eaten is this.
Isn't it good?
This is my favorite thing.
Guys, it's adobong pusit,
Yeah.
which is that.
Squid ink, a little bit of vinegar. It's like basically adoboed squid.
Good.
I'm eating it with these little peppers, which probably grown here.
Yeah.
This, 10 out of 10.
They do it good here.
Mm-hmm.
You shouldn't touch it
Question is this edible?
Yeah, if you want to eat it, but if not.
first.
Did you guys eat your flour?
The chocolate is good with the mint.
Oh, okay, here.
It's a
Ooh,
brownie. You have to
baby.
use your knife, Daddy. You have to use your fork. Oh.
Food's better with your fingers anyway. Also, we got fried toron. If you don't know what that is, that's basically a plantain. It's a banana-like fruit, not as sweet.
Wait, what?
And they deep fry it in a lumpia wrapper. Wow. Wow. I'm very satisfied. I'm hoping this is the very last thing I have because I am so full, but look at this. This is a tarragon tea. I've never had tarragon tea. And it's got, what kind of a fruit is that? The red fruit?
Goji berry.
Goji berries. Wow. That's a really unique flavor.
Good?
You know, it kind of reminds me of Indian food because they give goji berries dried as a snack. But I've never had tarragon tea, and tarragon's one of my favorite herbs.
Should I try it?
All right, so we just had the most amazing lunch. If you're in the area and you're hungry and want something very healthy, this is a special place. I met Sonya, sweet lady, and what she's done here, especially as a gardener, food lover, and just like general appreciator of finer things in life, this is the place to eat. Seriously. Okay, this is legit thick hot chocolate. This is the stuff they have in Europe. I know it's really
So try a
hot.
little bit. That's hot though.
You can probably sip it. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Why don't you just try a tiny sip?
It's too hot.
We're about to explore the garden now. Wow, this is a stingless bees, the smallest bees, and that's where they get their honey. I didn't even try their honey. You know, I'll buy honey up front. You can
know
buy a lot of
so?
their products here.
You know what? The flower, it smells like garlic.
Those flowers, they smell like garlic, and that's what's blooming right now, which is pretty cool. We're about to go into the proposal garden. People literally propose here.
Please, welcome. Thank you.
Okay, that is so cool. I know this is super random, but she brought her hot chocolate, and I'm gonna try it. That is amazing. So you can have dinner for two here if you want. It's very romantic. There's a little chandelier, obviously a little table for two. Still one of the coolest things about Sonya's garden and eating here is that a lot of the ingredients, I think almost all the vegetables and fruits are grown here in the garden or harvested very close by. I don't know if they have coconuts here or like pineapple trees, but yeah, all very local. Sonya says she's a firm believer in non-industrialized food and slow food diets, which is pretty cool. All right, so this is their actual farm where they grow a lot of the things that we ate. This is a papaya plant. Those are so delicious. We had them today for lunch. There's really nothing like growing your own food, harvesting the fruits of your labor, and then eating it right there at home. And this resort is that times a million. Okay, these guys said this is the best fruit ever, which
It's really,
I'm all about the best fruit ever.
it's like the sweetest fruit you've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What's the name of the fruit?
Kamiyas.
Kamiyas?
Yeah.
Look at this.
And- yeah.
So this is what it looks like. You
What's
guys
your
want
dad?
to try?
Guys, what's your dad?
Okay.
What's your dad?
Okay. Are you tricking me right now?
No.
Okay.
RJ, you're like making him scared.
I just take a bite,
Yep.
even
Yeah.
with this. Is
Yeah,
okay?
That's fine.
Yep.
It's sour. You guys tricked me. Now I'm assuming this is healthy though, right?
Very healthy. They did that to me too the first time.
I will say this though, it's still delicious.
Yeah.
Decent for sinigang.
So later we will make it sweet with
Oh, really?
our magic fruit.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
Magic
it's very
fruit.
sour, right?
Girls, you want to
Tastes
try?
like a
it?
marshmallow. Go try it.
It's like warheads.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I hate warhead.
Let's try a little bite.
Gee, why you like it? Like it?
Try it. Just a little.
It's sour.
It's good for you.
Yeah, just take a little bite. Really sour.
When you get excited, you're tricking me, okay? I've never seen him so excited about something. I was like, this got to be really good. But I'm glad I tried it. Seriously.
Yeah, very healthy.
Mikey, he's also really good at spotting things. We're walking along the road by the garden. Look, this is a dragon fruit, which he says is a climbing cactus. That's so cool. And look at this. So there's one that's not very ripe, and right behind it is a really ripe one. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I would have never thought this is what dragon fruit
Yeah.
comes from.
There are
It's
three
cool.
kinds. There's a red kind, a yellow kind, and a white kind. The best one is the red.
I've never seen a white one though. I was not expecting to see this. This is the best greenhouse I've ever been in. This is literally the lettuce that we ate today for lunch. What? Look at all this beautiful lettuce. That's why it was so fresh and fluffy and
it's
crisp.
watered underground.
Magic fruit.
Magic fruit.
Yes, you know what? Everything sour will become sweet the moment
Oh,
you taste it.
really?
Yeah, yes, sir.
That is
It's just
great.
like a
Can I
small
see this?
berry. So what we're going to do later, so
Yeah.
I'll just wash it first.
Okay.
And then you have to massage it like this.
Okay.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Massage it like this.
Yeah.
When it gets soft, you have to push it on the bottom to take the seeds, and then you're going to suck it or
Nibble
for-
on it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for enable it for about a minute or two.
Really?
Yeah. Then after that, this souring agent will become sweet.
Sweet.
Oh
Yeah,
my
but
gosh.
I have to wash it first.
It changes
yeah.
the chemical composition of your taste buds.
I used to sell a diet product because I was part of a pyramid scheme once.
What?
No, it was like an MLM, which is the same thing.
Okay.
And we used to sell this thing that would change your taste buds, and I think that was the
That's
fruit.
definitely it. Yeah.
But it wasn't called magic fruit; it was called something else. But yeah.
I see.
What is this?
This is a kamyas.
This is kamiyasa. I just had that's sour. He wants me
for
to
you.
double check it's sour.
Hold on for a while.
Oh, it's real sour.
Still sour.
Like
Yeah.
more sour than the last one. Okay, so now we got
Yeah.
this guy.
When it's soft, so just
Oh
push
yeah,
it
there
on
we
the
go.
bottom.
I don't want to pop out
Okay.
too much.
Yeah.
Okay, I can put it in my mouth.
Yeah, yes, right now. Yeah. So don't bite or don't swallow the seeds.
mhm.
You have to consume all the white.
The flesh.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
it kind of reminds me of mangosteen a little bit. The texture around it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Have you done this before?
I think you're done, sir. Now just take off
Yeah.
the seeds.
Okay.
Now taste your. Ay,
Whoa! Okay. That is crazy. That is
I think you're
crazy.
Yeah. You know this magic fruit. It contains a miraculous substance wherein it can trick or fake your brain that you're eating
And this
sweet.
is so good for you because this is healthy, but you wouldn't eat it by itself.
Yeah. So especially for the kids who can take vitamin C without sweetener or sugar.
Mm.
It's like a sour candy now.
Yeah, it's like a green apple. Some other guess.
Did it work for you guys? Isn't that crazy?
It's really cool.
Mia, you're missing out. This
I
turned into the best fruit ever.
Yeah, you're not even a vinegar.
That is so nuts.
But your problem is you get the acidic. Yeah.
Mm.
when you-
All right, right here, this giant tree is what you call an Indian mango, and I'm vlogging it because look what I found. I found one of the mangoes on the ground. Hopefully it's okay that I picked this up, but look at this. It's just on the ground. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit smaller. This was delicious. We had this with our salad as well. Now, I don't know if this is a normal thing when you come here to Sonya's garden, but we're getting this tour. All the food though that you would eat if you stay at this resort, it comes from this greenhouse, from the farm, and all the gardens.